Hi children, today's lesson is the diary of a space traveler. So you all know that who is a space traveler. It is an adventurous journey to go to the space, right? So scientists and astronauts do that. So here this is a fictional story written by Satyajit Ray. He was a film director, music composer, lyricist, playwright, and he has been awarded by Government of India. Even Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award, was given to him. Then, in this story, there are few characters. We will learn about each character. Professor Trilekeshwar Shonku, he is the scientist. He is the one who is uh, who has set out for the space travel, and he is accompanied by his servant Prahlad and his pet cat Newton and his robot Buddhi Shekhar. Okay, so these are the people who had gone on an exploration. Now, the narrator is getting the diary of Mr. Shonku, and he found that the diary is of a peculiar kind. The color of the ink was changing, and also his dog Bholu pounced upon it, but he could not damage anything in the diary. And the narrator also wanted to try whether it is damageable or not. So he just put it in the fire, but nothing happened. The diary looks like it was kind of elastic. So these are the features of the diary. So in the beginning, he thought that the diary cannot be destroyed or damaged. So that was something very strange and mysterious for the narrator. Now he started reading the diary, and what he has found out that Shonku is a scientist who has taken up this exploration, and they have carried many equipments, for example, the binoculars, camera, and weapons, first aid box, because they do not know, there is uncertainty what is going to happen in their exploration, whether they will land on a safe space or safe planet. They do not know it. So they have carried all these equipments to keep them safe. Now, what are the kinds of food which they have taken? They cannot carry all these lots and lots of food. So, being an inventor, what he has done is he has made some tablets or pills which is highly nutritious and keep all this hunger and thirst at bay. That means they will not feel hungry. They will not feel thirsty for some time. That is 24 hours if you take one single pill. It is nice, right? If we get such a pill, we don't have to go for heavy grocery shopping, isn't it? Yes. So probably in future you can expect it. Now, what happened? So all with all these things, they have started their space exploration. And at first, they landed on Mars. So, has anybody landed on Mars yet? No, right? But lot of experiments are underway, and they are trying, and they are keeping a time beyond within which they have to go to Mars. As of now, they have sent, drones and machines, but man has not reached. So those experiments are underway. Now, Professor Shonku has landed on Mars. So how did he explain Mars? It is everything is so strange and opposite of what you can see on Earth. On Earth the sky is blue in color, but over there it was green. Here we are having green trees and leaves, but over there it was blue. And here the water is transparent, there is no particular color. But over there the water was red, and all the substances were kind of soft and rubbery thing. So Mr. Shonku has tried to drink the water. He actually drank the water. What happened? All this fatigue, that means mental and physical fatigue, has gone away. He became re energized. Just like if one drinks ambrosia, that means a drink in the Greek mythology. So that is one drink which gives everybody their vigor and youth and energy. So he felt like he has drank the ambrosia. So that kind of reddish water they had in Mars. And they had to combat or encounter with weird creatures on Mars. So the explanation or description of the creatures I have made in the next video, so you can listen to that. So what happened? They had to encounter with weird creatures and they have escaped from that place. Then they came to another planet, which later they got to know that the name was Tafa. Over there also, they had met many weird creatures. They were kind of primitive. That means they did not have any advancements in their lifestyle, in their thinking, their understanding. And Professor Shonku was not appreciated over there. They did not understand what Professor Shonku's experiments are. And he was kind of trapped over there. He understood that he cannot come back to Earth. But somehow he made sure that his diary reaches the Earth. Now, this is one PPT, so we shall go through this. The Diary of a Space Traveler. Here you can see the characters, the protagonist, Professor Trilokeshwar Shonku, is a fictional character. Okay, so it is not a true story. And these are the characters. And what is the plot? So that means he is a genius, he is a scientist, he disappeared without a trace after he shot off to space in a rocket. Then, where did it happen? In Girith. He was accompanied by Prahlad, Buddhishekhar, and his cat. Now, setting of the story. The story is happening partially in the outer space and in the other planets. And he sees a red river, the trees are blue in color, the sky is green, the new planet Tafa. He saw strange creatures over there, and there was the problem. What was the problem? Because Robo was warning of danger, and they had to encounter with half human and half fish kind of creatures. Then, what is the rising action? What kind of action has he taken? Robo hits them and they escape and they again land in Tafa. Now, there was a problem. What was the problem? The people were primitive and they did not understand. They were living in holes, but they have given a house for Shonku to live in. How did that happen? I told you this is a fictional story. It is kind of imagination. As they did not have a house, how can they give house to Shonku? Then the story ends when Shongo thinks of nothing interesting to write. Somehow he made sure that the diary reaches the earth. Finally, the diary narrator makes a copy of the diary to publish it in the press so that the entire world knows about the adventurous journey which he had taken. After coming back, the original diary was kept it in the drawer and he takes it and he was shocked to see that the diary was eaten away by few ants. So he was now quite surprised. How did that happen? Because a diary which looked indestructible in the beginning was completely damaged by few insignificant ants. How did that happen? How can one destroy or ants destroy the diary? So this is left for the prediction of the reader. You all can predict. We will have a discussion in the class. How did ants do that? What could be the reason? So all these things we can predict. Okay, children, we shall discuss more about this lesson and your doubts will also be cleared in the class. Read through the lesson, understand the concept, find out the meanings of the new words. If you are having any difficulty in understanding the lesson or the meanings, or any topic, we can clarify in the class. Thank you.